terrifying footage caught on drones that no one was supposed to see. Watch at your own risk, because this footage shocked the entire world. This drone footage discovered something sinister happening, hidden away in the desert. Now think for a moment. You're growing illicit substances. Well, where can you hide them from the eyes of the world? That's right, in the desert. Between sandy dunes and the unquenchable thirst, who can find it? The desert is the place the government can even hide anything they want and nobody will ever find out. But the drone footage caught something more fucked up. The Mexican government just discovered the largest drug plantation covered by a giant black tarp, all because of their flying drones. This field was over 300 acres and was the largest plantation of drugs ever found. Imagine what must have been happening in other deserts across the world. But some drones discovered something even more chilling. This is footage of a ghost town with absolutely no residents. Everyone just absolutely vanished without a trace. Imagine coming across a town that's completely abandoned. Houses, a hospital, a police station, everything's there except people. Pripyat is such a town, and it was completely abandoned after the Chernobyl incident. The Chernobyl incident was a horrifying incident that cost thousands of people their lives. This city of Pripyat, once a hub of workers for the nearby power plant, is now abandoned and is an eerily silent reminder of the accident that cost so many lives. When Chernobyl reactor number 4 exploded, tens of thousands of people were exposed to harmful radiation, and thousands lost their lives. These days, going here is very dangerous, and people are highly discouraged from doing so. However, drones can, and hence, some people have managed to get this highly interesting footage of the ghost town. Now, look at this magnificent footage that will blow your mind. Base jumping is a very terrifying activity. And with the advent of drones, the first base jump using drones has just been performed. The drone was made by a Latvian company, Aeronis, and lifted our base jumper, Ingus, a whopping 1,082 feet in the air. He opened his parachute well on time, and we can see the magnificent view because the whole thing was captured on a drone. Now, look at this terrifying and mind-boggling footage from a drone of a tornado. Storm chasing is a very dangerous yet highly rewarding hobby. Hundreds of people try to chase storms to feel the rush of adrenaline and the power of the storm. Using a drone, the operator managed to chase a gigantic tornado across a ranch in Oklahoma, getting closer and closer as each moment passed. Nobody had gotten this close and lived to tell the tale. However, drones can, and that's the reason we are blessed with this masterpiece of footage. But let's end this with something that will shock you and relieve you. A 75-year-old pensioner was reported missing after being separated from his family during a hike. People searched for him all throughout the night, but they were unable to find him until one of them got an idea to use a drone. Just as well, they found him using the drone stuck in a marsh and immediately got him out. And just in time, too, as he got to celebrate Father's Day with his family. This is just a testament to how well drones can help out everyone. Now, watch this video. It will blow your mind. Click here.